In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the right Flightradar24 on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to get the Flightradar24 on your smartphone, go ahead and look for Play Store, and here it is. I'll tap on it. From here, go to search bar up here, but if you can't see it, like you can see I don't have one, go to search, and then this will enable the search bar. Now tap on it and then just search for flight radar, and you can see it is here, Flightradar24, and here we go. Now to know that it is the right app, make sure it comes from Flightradar24 AB, and the tag name is Flightradar24 Flight Tracker. At the time of downloading this, it has over 576 reviews with a star rating of 4.8, and the file size of this app is approximately 50 MBs. Currently, it has over 50 million downloads across the world. To install it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download this app on your smartphone, then install it. Once the app has been installed, you can now proceed and tap on open to start using it, or if you go back, now you should be able to find your Flightradar24 amongst your app. Go ahead and tap on it to start tracking flights around or across the world. So that's how you can download Flightradar24 app on your Android smartphone and start using it. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.